Today guys, I'm gonna do unboxing of my Hermes pieces that I got during my Paris trip. I got also 2 handbags, but I believe that handbags always deserve their own video. But today I'm gonna show you all the goodies that I got during my Paris trip. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today is unboxing, very exciting video. As I said, when I'm traveling to Paris, I usually splurge a little bit on myself, buying some goodies from Hermes. But what I'm trying to say, I didn't buy much. This is the only things in addition to handbags that I got. And here comes surprising news. I got these goodies not at my leather appointment, not before my leather appointment. I got all these goodies after my leather appointment. It means I had my leather appointment. Stay tuned to that video as well. I'm gonna tell you everything. I got 2 handbags and I just walked out of the boutique. So I could have not buy anything. And the only reason that I got these items because I truly wanted to buy these items. And I believe that's how it should be. You buy the items not because you need to buy these items to build your history with Hermes or with any other boutiques. You buy because you want them, because you like them, and that's how it's supposed to be, I think, in any luxury shopping. Anyway, you know this, it's not something that would be a surprise unboxing. Oh my gosh, what she got. And this is this really cute Twilly. The reason why I got this Twilly because I find it's so neutral. Like you see the colors, it's a black, white and cream, because usually when it comes to Hermes they are extremely bright and kind of all over the place colors. And I'm not saying that I don't like Hermes bright colors, but quite often it's very hard to fit, let's say, especially if you have some kind of cream or beige or black handbag, because on my Kelly, which is in black, it's very hard for me to put kind of Twillies. I put one with the blue and black and I find it's conflicting, and then I was putting my Chanel Twilly because it's kind of exactly like this beige black, and finally I was able to get the Twilly which is Hermes, and the second one is exactly identical. And I thought that it would be also great if one day I will get my black Birkin, like 100% black Birkin, or even if it's going to be, I don't know, some kind of crepe Birkin, etc. But even if I'm gonna wear my Kelly and then wear this one as a tie, it's kind of matching. So I did already mistake before when I'm just buying Twillies, just the one. And I thought, oh, it's nice to put different Twillies on Birkin. No, it's not nice. It's kind of looking all over the place. And as I said, I made this mistake before. And from now on, I'm buying only, if I'm buying Twillies, I want to have them in a pair. So this is 2 really cute Twillies. And as I said, they're so beautiful. And in fact, when I was buying them, I got the 2 last one in the boutique. They didn't even have any more. They might have more later on, but at the time when I was buying, there were 2 last one, and I was like, yes, I will take them. So next one is this cutie, and I love this item. When I show you, you're like, oh yeah, I understand why you purchased this item. I was trying to do sophisticated opening but couldn't. So anyway, this is an item, and this is Calvi Duo in a taupe color. Absolutely love it. I have my Calvi in black noir color, and believe it or not, I use that wallet already 2 years non-stop, not changing to any other wallets. And I thought, like, you know what, why not to get something again in very practical color, but a little bit lighter for the lighter color of the handbags. Because sometimes when you have let's say dark wallet and you want to put it in lighter color of the handbags, there's a very tiny risk, but that you can maybe do some kind of color transfer. But I thought this beautiful neutral color will go with everything. And you know, keeping in mind that every year prices are going only up, so I thought, like, you know, it's a great options to purchase even like today, even if I'm not going to be using this wallet 100% right away this year or whatever. I thought it would be a really great option to keep it even for the future use. So then let's open this big one. Again, I like, you know, I'm so boring sometimes, I would say so predictable. When you're gonna see this one, you were like, oh my gosh. And this is Hermes t-shirt, and this is actually from the men's collection. I'm maybe gonna put a picture. And this is my second t-shirt like that. It has like that. It has that tiny edge. It's very hard to see because it's dark, with the pocket. There is a similar t-shirts like that in the women's collection, but usually in the women's collection they put so much embroidery or something on the pocket. Frankly, if you're asking me, I wish if there is no pocket at all, just a simple t-shirt with tiny edge, that will do for me. But this is from the men's collection, and I'm buying size small. I could have bought even extra small, but I didn't want it to be so snug. And as I said, it's not my first t-shirt, and I already used this t-shirt in, I have it in a white color. It's kind of like, they call it white, but it's kind of a little bit off-white. So, and I use it so much because it's so neutral. You can wear it with any other brand. You can wear it underneath. You can wear it by itself. So I decided, hey, I wear lots of black. Why not to get a black t-shirt? So this is the t-shirt. And again, something that I already used and I know that I used a lot. So just kind of almost repeat items. So far you can see repeat items like a Twillies or Calvi wallet or t-shirt, something that I already used. So let's just open this one and see. That's how it should be. You should buy something that you really want and you already enjoy using, not because, like, you know, they're pushing you to buy some kind of things that you don't really want. Okay, so this one, it's a scarf, but this is not 90 by 90. This is, I think it's 70 by 70, if I'm not mistaken. It's a little bit smaller, but the reason that I got this one, because I love color. I have my blue Birkin, and I thought that it's gonna look really nice, and I thought that this color is also looking really good on me. And let me just open completely. This is with some kind of like a doggies, and you know, guys, how much I love dogs. I have 2 dogs at home. Here is also the Daxi. I have Daxi. I wish if they're gonna put over here also Corgi, because I'm also proud mom of Corgi. But nevertheless, I got this scarf and I absolutely love it because I love blue color. The blue color matches me very well. So this scarf is another unboxing. And this is the last item. And when I show you this item, you will like, oh yeah, because many of the girls are having this item in their collection and they rave about it, and I will tell you a little bit of story about this item, because I had this item in my hand on sale, on Hermes sale, and I didn't buy it. It was 7 years ago in 2018. How silly of me, but that's what I said. You know, you have to grow with your choices to understand that it's something that you truly want in your collection. And here is the item, and this is Kelly belt, Kelly 18 belt, black Epsom. I just kind of have to go through this pause. Black Epsom with gold hardware. I was actually also trying to get in a tube, but a tube wasn't available. But I thought, like, if I'm gonna try to use this item, I should start from black, because black can go with everything, and gold, because, like, you know, I have lots of gold jewelry. Most of my Hermes handbags with either gold or rose gold hardware. To be frank, I would have preferred if it would have been with the perma brass. It would have been a little bit less bright, but because it's such a small you know, buckle, I think even the bright yellow gold still looking very nice. So looking forward to use this belt as well. As I said, I have a friend of mine who has several of these belts in her collection, and she always raves about them. She says they're the best purchase ever. So this is the items that I got on addition to my handbags. Stay tuned for the handbags unboxing. I have also video just recently placed. It's kind of like about all the new handbags, or at least some of the bags that I haven't seen in person before, with some also an additional really cute colors. Pictures of the handbags that on my Paris trip I took in the Hermes boutique. I'm gonna link that video somewhere over here. Please guys, watch that video, because it's definitely fun to look at all Hermes handbags. So that's about it for today. Please don't forget to give me likes, share this video with some of your friends if they are into Hermes, and I guess that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next one.